Okay, I've been pondering about water and rain, and if we planted trees out west, do we really need a whole desert out west? But basically, I think of it, it's basically, it's weird. It's weird. So, it's very efficient, but a tree takes molecules of minerals, and then somehow it breaks the bond, then it recreates the bond. So I'm thinking that it just pulls in minerals, and then as it pulls in minerals, the bonds, well, everything's okay. The magnetic whatever frequency of Earth is something like 60 gigahertz or something like that. 60 gigahertz. So the atom of the mineral and the molecules are resonating at 60 gigahertz. So I don't really know if basically the magnetic pole of the atom is flipping or it's shaking. I don't know. It's resonating. And then I don't really know how to explain it. But yeah. But basically there's there's trillions of molecules of hydrogen and oxygen in a raindrop. Then it falls from the sky, and that is resonating at whatever frequency it's resonating at, and it falls from the sky up in the atmosphere. It falls from the sky, and it hits the ground, and it makes contact with the ground first. Then the minerals in the ground make a change. So the elements in the ground make a change to the hydrogen and oxygen once you would say once water changes state. When water changes state, that's going to be the driving factor of the chemical change. So I was looking up basically magnesium and hydrogen, and then lithium and hydrogen, and then like all these other things, and so the heat breaks the bond. I know in metal, heat breaks the bond. I understand that breaks the bond of the stuff, and then you can melt it down and it becomes something new. It becomes a new element. Water freezes, thaws, and then evaporates. That's the change of state in that. And then gases are the same. They freeze, they thaw, or they liquefy, or whatever. They change state like that. So the temperatures at which each element changes state, which is all relative, drives the factor of what the minerals in the ground do for like a tree or a plant. I don't know.